Hey, what's going on, everybody? Student of review, back at it with another quick video for y'all. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off this clicking sound on your Amazon Fire Stick. Again, how to turn off this clicking sound on your Amazon Fire Stick. Let's get right into it. So this can be pretty annoying, so I'm gonna show you how to disable this. What you want to do, of course, go to your main page on your Amazon Fire Stick, just like this, and you want to scroll all the way to the top where it says Home, Live, Your Videos, and go ahead and scroll all the way to the right and go ahead and click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, go down and go to the right and click on Display and Sounds, just like that. And now what you want to do, you want to scroll down and go ahead and click on Audio. Alright, and right there, that should be the first one that popped up. It says Navigation Sounds. Go ahead, if it says on, go ahead and just press the middle button on your remote to turn it off. So now it's off. So now you won't have any annoying clicking sounds. If you like that clicking sound, just go ahead and, keep it on. So I'm just going to go home right here. And you see that? There's no more sound. No more clicking sound. If you used to have like cable or anything like that, there's no clicking sound on the remote. Even universal remotes, there's no type of clicking sound coming from the TV. So this is a lot more natural, a lot more better. So again, if you want to try it out without the clicking sounds, it's really nice. I really like it like this a lot better. So definitely give that a try. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click the bell for more notifications from this channel. And with that, I'm out.